In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartlead Smartagents. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get useful outputs from the Smart Agents feature without any confusion. First, head over to the Smartlead app. Once you're in your account and looking at the main dashboard, glance over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Smart Agents. Click that to open the Smart Agents workspace. This is where you'll create content or workflows using prompts or ready-made templates. On the Smart Agents page, you'll notice a prompt box front and center. This is the fastest way to get started. Type in a clear instruction describing what you want. Be specific about your goal, your audience, the tone you prefer, and any constraints that matter, like length or format. For example, you might mention the type of outreach you're running, the value proposition you want highlighted, or the style you want to maintain. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. When you're satisfied with what you've written, submit it by clicking the Submit button on screen, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Smart Agents will process your request and produce an output based on the details you provided. If the first draft isn't quite right, refine your prompt with more context or adjust the tone and submit again. Small edits to your instructions often lead to big improvements in the results. Now, if you'd rather not start from scratch, you can use templates instead. On the Smart Agents page, you'll typically see suggested templates you can pick and build from right away. If you don't see what you need there, look for the View All option and click it. That opens the full template library so you can browse categories and find a closer match to your use case. Once you've found a template that suits your goal, select it and click Use Template. This loads the template into your workspace so you can quickly tailor it to your brand, audience, and campaign specifics. After you've made your adjustments, follow the on-screen prompts to build. Templates are great because they handle the structure for you, while still giving you room to personalize the details that matter. That's it. Go to Smartlead, open Smart Agents from the left sidebar, either write a focus prompt and submit, or explore templates. Click View, all to see more options, choose one, select Use Template, and build. With a clear prompt or the right template, Smart Agents can save you time and help you produce consistent, high-quality outputs.